Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to post grid photos on Instagram. Let's get started. First, go to Instagram profile and scroll down, then make sure the bottom row is complete. If not, post or delete a photo so the grid aligns properly. Then open your App Store and Play Store, then search for Grid Maker or Instagram Grid Maker. Install one of apps, then most have free version. Open the Grid Maker app, then tap Grid and select the photo you want to split. Choose how many squares you want, like 3, 6, or 9. Then tap checkmark to confirm. Then after that, the app will each piece. Start with one, then upload each piece in sequence. Allow access to your photo when prompted. Then tap feed next, then next, and add a caption if you like. Then hit share. Repeat for each numbered piece until done. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.